Welcome to busybeegyankosh. Busy Bee, today we are going to learn about farm animals. What are farm animals? Farm animals help us in farming and carrying loads. Let us see farm animals. This is a hen. And what does hen gives us? Hen gives us eggs. And eggs are very healthy food. This is a donkey. Donkey helps in carrying loads. Donkey is very strong. It can carry loads. This is a goat. Goat gives us milk. And goat milk is used for making different types of food like cheese. This is a cow. Cow gives us milk, and milk is very healthy for us. We should drink at least 2 glasses of milk every day. And do you know cow dung is used in planting and it makes our plants grow with more nutrients. So cow is also very helpful animal. This is a horse, and horses are used to help or move large number of sheep or cattle from one place to another in a cart. This is a sheep. Sheep gives us wool, and the wool that sheep provides is used to make clothing like sweaters, gloves, etc., and rugs also. This is a pig, and pig loves to play in the mud. This is a duck. Duck also gives us eggs. So these are farm animals. We should take proper care of them. Hope you have understood.